how's it going? It's Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about my Cricut Maker and the hundreds of materials that the Cricut Maker can cut. I literally love this machine so much. It is one of the most versatile cutting machines out there that Cricut has right now. And when I say that it can cut through hundreds of materials, I'm not exaggerating. Not only does it do cardstock and vinyl, which are my personal favorites, but also it does things like leather. It cuts through chipboard. It cuts through balsa wood. It cuts through all kinds of materials, even thick leathers, corrugated cardboard. You can cut through a cereal box with this thing, and aluminum cans. I mean, the projects are totally endless. And what's so good about them is that you get to design all of your own projects because you can go into Design Space, which is the Cricut app, where you can literally create your own projects from scratch, or you can select some of the pre-designed images from Cricut and other makers like myself that may have uploaded into the library. So today I'm going to be actually making some earrings for you, and we're going to be using my favorite product, cardstock. But before we get into that, let's just run through a quick list of all of the materials that you can cut with the Cricut Maker.
Cardstock, cereal box, chipboard, parchment paper, paper bags, photo mats, adhesive vinyl, chalkboard vinyl, dry erase vinyl, glitter vinyl, matte vinyl, metallic vinyl, outdoor vinyl, permanent vinyl, stencil vinyl, sheets, balsa wood, basswood, birchwood, corkboard, corrugated paper, magnetic sheets, soda cans.
Now, if you're anything like me, I know that you're probably thinking of thousands of different projects that you can make. But if you don't have a Cricut Maker, don't worry about it. Today's project is actually going to be very easy. It's going to be made with cardstock. So regardless of what kind of Cricut machine you have, you should be able to do this project very, very easily. Now, if you're thinking, maybe I need to upgrade, maybe I need to buy a new machine, or maybe I just want to buy a Cricut Maker, check out the links in my bio below. They are linked to the affiliate store with Cricut, and you can get all kinds of really good deals and materials from Cricut.com. All right, guys, let's jump into the project. Now, before I go into Design Space, I am going to go ahead and prep my cutting mat. I'm using this cardstock that I picked up from Cricut.com, and I actually love this pattern. I love also that it is solid blue on the other side, so it's going to give me some really nice transitions for my earrings that I'm creating for my friends and my family. The first thing I'm going to do is just smooth everything out onto my cutting mat, and then I'm going to jump into Design Space. Once I'm in Design Space, I'm literally going to go to the canvas. I'm going to go to Images. I'm going to type in the word earrings. And as you can see, there are a ton of different projects and possibilities here. I am going to select a couple items that I like. Now, I don't have to worry about the color or the combination because remember, I'm using the cardstock. So you can very, very easily create your own design, your own patterns, your own templates. In fact, I'm going to go and take this one pair of earrings and I'm going to make kind of like a dangly set. I'm going to have one piece that's going to be a little bit smaller, one that's going to be a little bit larger, and we're going to see how that works. Now, the machine is doing all the work because all you have to do is follow the prompts on Design Space. And then once everything is printed, you've got a very, very easy to remove project. Cardstock comes off of the cutting mat's by far the easiest, and you just need your Cricut tools and some patience, and literally you've got some very cool projects. Check out how beautiful these are going to be, and what I love about them is that they're going to be lightweight, so my mom, my sister, my friends, anybody that's going to wear them, they're not going to be uncomfortable. And what's also cool is that when you see them from the back side, they're going to have that color or that pattern, and they also are really, really versatile.